New Year's Eve. It's about 6 o'clock. Got about 6 hours till the new year, 2008. 6 hours left, 2008. Make the most of it, right?
New Year chicken. Go, Josh.
Red Bull. I live off this stuff. Let's go see what my sister's doing on New Year's.
You, baby.
Hey, Hannah, what it...
I can't wait for the New Year's. It's gonna be pretty cute. Oh,
Break yourself, fool.
why? Man, I can't wait for the New Year. Woo! Yeah, Josh, what are you doing with that gun, Josh?
In nomine Patris et Filii Spiritus Sancti.
Josh thinks he's real funny hitting him in the head with a dart. But I know how to deal with him. Hey Josh.
I need Facebook status.
How's it going?
Why do you have that blade in your hand?
It's almost 2009, Josh. Happy New Year's.
Like to live Cookie.
That's bad. Yeah! Merry Christmas!
It's New Year's Eve, not Christmas, you retard. Hell no, retard! Wait. I forgot something.
Alright, what'd you forget?
I'm not wearing any pants!
We'll put some pants on so we can go somewhere.
Hey, let's hit up the gym, homie.